Here we have the standard twin room at the Holiday Inn Glasgow Airport. So as you come in the room, on your right hand side you've got the bathroom. For the standard features, you've got your towel warming rail there, WC, sink, and your bath with a shower attachment. So there's your bath just down there, and the shower attachment is the standard shower head that's fixed to the wall. Not the best type of shower head, but it will do. You've got your condiments there for shampoo and body wash. So coming out the bathroom I should say, not the room. On your left as you come in, you've got some tea and coffee making facilities. Let's check the cleanliness. Yeah, absolutely clean. Small selection of tea and coffee. Plenty of towels. You've got your iron board and iron, and as you come into the room, got your two single beds. The air conditioning unit is all digital, fairly simple to operate with the instructions below. So next to the bed, doesn't look like there's any plugs. You've got your telephone, but no plugs next to the bed. And you've got your small desk with a lamp and TV on it. Fairly small TV, going by usual Holiday Inn standards. Small mirror above the desk. You do have a couple of chairs, but as I say, very limited plug sockets in the room. Now the view out the room, I'm on the 8th floor, room 807, and you get quite a good view of Glasgow Airport. So later on we'll go down to the restaurant. We'll be trialling the breakfast and evening meals at the hotel. So the room, looking around the room, it isn't the cleanest of rooms. Stuff I've noticed on the bed frames, yeah, quite a lot of staining on the bed frames. I'm just hoping the mattresses are clean. But even the carpet isn't the cleanest. There's quite a lot of staining on the carpet. Also above the entrance door as you come in, yeah, there's quite a lot of damage to the thing. Yeah, it's quite could do with a bit of modernisation, I think, in here. So I hope you've liked this little room tour of the Holiday Inn Glasgow Airport. Now there is two Holiday Inns here. There is the Holiday Inn Glasgow Airport and there's the Holiday Inn Express Glasgow Airport. The two of them are virtually right next door to each other, so make sure you do select the right one when you're booking. Both of them are just right next to the airport, so yeah, whichever one you book will be I'm sure a very nice hotel. So I shall review more of the hotel later and show you around. So take care, goodbye.
Just get me an orange.
Thank you.
Have a good day.